have your permission to play a little tape recording?
No, no.
This is a tape recording.
Speak whatever.
This is a tape recording of the Health Minister of Goa.
Today, he wants to rely on a recording which is false and fabricated. Let him authenticate it, place it on the table of the House and open himself for an action of privilege. There is no such procedure that he can play a tape. He has to authenticate it, take a responsibility and face an expulsion from the House.
That's why I am not allowing him.
It is a recording of a minister in the Goa government where he is clearly stating something the Chief Minister of Goa has stated in a cabinet meeting.
आप इस तरीके से नहीं कर सकते हैं, राहुल जी. Please listen to me. Nothing will going on record like this. आप उसको लिखित में authenticate कर रहे हैं.
Give me the mic. Thank you, ma'am. Do I have your permission?
Are you authenticating it?
Okay, madam. If you are not going to give me permission because they are scared, I will read the transcript of the recording.
No, you have to authenticate it.
Good evening,
no.
sir.
I'm sorry.
Boss, good evening. I called today.
Rahul ji, please listen to me.
No, wait, no.
Are you authenticating
I
it?
called today. There was a...
It will not go something.
Hey, he can't make others speak a lie.
Not like this.
If it makes you happy,
No,
I will not play the tape.
Because it is false, he refuses to authenticate it. This man lies repeatedly. ये झूठ है इसलिए आप ऑथेंटिकेट नहीं करना चाहते. आप ऑथेंटिकेट करिए. अगर आप मानते हैं ये सच है तो ऑथेंटिकेट करिए.
The house stand adjourned to meet again at 2:30.